I'm going to show you how you can use energy crystals on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I'm here at the shop and I'm about to buy an energy crystal and this orb right here. The energy crystals are used for items or weapons that have a certain amount of uses. As you can see, this one has 5 uses only. So let's see how we can use the crystal. Let's buy those and let's go to the truck. Okay, so now I'm inside the level, and after using the orb for some time, you can see how it lost 1 use, now 2. So the crystal is basically to put the item or the weapon you want to recharge and put it right here, and this will start consuming those crystals, and this bar will start going down. And now, as you can see, I have all the uses left for the orb. So you can do the same thing with weapons, just put them here, and depending on how many crystals you have, this bar will start going down until you have no more energy left, so you will have to buy another crystal. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.